Today is a land so sweet and free, and all that joy will soon be mine. And there is a shining light so bright, and there is no dying of a day. Oh, Beulah land, sweet Beulah land, upon thy heights I long to stay. Through the raging, just a sea, immense there, prepared for me, and final date, eternal joy, my heaven, my home, forevermore. Elizela, sekenana, iyaguma, entabeni, gikalase, gapesheya, la